gwaptal Maria.
Owetiri meseni kenke monso.
Ekene Maria Egyptel na Grace osebru anonyeli. Ede ngozi n'etiti ikporo niile. Ọ dịazị ngozi bụ nwa afọ gị bụ Jesu.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Thank you. Remember to check out my book on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture. By yours faithfully, Martin Ifan. Thank you. Stick around for the news.
Okwe melaru. Ekene Maria Egyptel na Gracia osebru anonyeli. Ede ngozi n'etiti ikporo niile. Ọ dịazị ngozi bụ nwa afọ gị bụ Jesu.
Maria bịasọ nne nke Chukwu, rịọbara ịbụ ndị nje ayọ kịta na amanya nwanyị. Amen.
Rịọbara anyị ayọ nne nke Chukwu dị asọ.
Ka o wetara ịnata nkwa nke Kristi.
Ayọ. Anyị na-ayọ gị o Chukwu ka erinye Kraịst anyị n'ime obi anyị ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma wee mara iwelarụ Kristi nwa ya site n'afọ ya na obi ya wee bata n'otito na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dị nwe anyị. Amen. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Eto dị n'isi na nkịta na ebo niile n'ụwa ebe ebe. Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Eto dị n'isi na nkịta na ebo niile n'ụwa ebe ebe. Amen.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Eto dị n'isi na nkịta na ebo niile n'ụwa.
Ejike niile gọzie ụnụ, Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Amen.
Born at the FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment program. Stop on Ebon at the 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on Ebon at the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebon at the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good morning and welcome to Ebon at the 103.5 FM News Update today, Thursday, the 29th day of February 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifeanyi Ekezie is my name. The headlines. Anambra, Lagos partner to advance information technology. Abia government bans a beauty contest over extortion, sexual exploitation of participants, economic hardship. Nigerians should go back to farming. Honorable Paul EZIKA. Ghana's parliament passes anti-LGBTQ plus bill that could imprison people for years. Now, details. Anambra, Lagos partner to advance information technology as part of efforts towards advancing information and technology IT development in Nigeria. Anambra and Lagos states have agreed to a collaborative partnership that will see to this of their respective IT ecosystems. This is no doubt resonates with the federal government's call through the Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosun Tijani, at the recently concluded meeting of the Nigerian National Council of ICT Heads of Ministries, Departments and Agencies in Abeokuta, Ogun State for the digitalization of ministries, department, agencies, operations. The objectives and the key highlights of the Anambra-Lagos partnership include cybersecurity, collaboration, protection of IT assets, cyber protection measures, and expansion of IT services platform. Lagos State Commissioner for Innovation, Science and Technology, Tubusun Alake, expressed optimism about the collaboration, stating this partnership signifies a crucial step in fortifying our technological capabilities by combining forces with Anambra State. Abia government bans beauty contests over extortion, sexual exploitation of participants. All forms of beauty contests have been banned in Abia State following repeated reports of extortion and sexual exploitation of participants. The ban was made known by Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Entertainment and Tourism, OK Justice Martins, at a press briefing in Umuahia. Martins announced that the organizers of such events must be certified and screened by the Abia State government to confirm the veracity of their claims and ensure they comply with the set guidelines before being allowed to conduct such shows. Some individuals are taking advantage of Abia girls in the name of pageantry, make unfulfilled promises, as well as pimp them out to wealthy men in the state, thereby jeopardizing their careers while seeking to wear a crown, Martins claimed. Economic hardship. Nigerians should go back to farming. Honorable Paul EZIKA. Nigerians have been called upon to go back to farming to curb the current hardship in the country during the Edo Poto celebration, which marks the beginning of the farming season in Ukpo community. The Auditor General, Ukpo Improvement Union, Honorable Paul Uchenna EZIKA Ezani Isiobi joined voices with other stakeholders to make the clarion call. He called on Nigerians to go back to crop and livestock farming, explaining that if every family turns their backyard into vegetable garden and poultry farm, it would reduce the increase in demand to meet household needs. He emphasized that the country's present challenge would be surmounted with collective contributions of all Nigerians, irrespective of class. Also, a Nigerian senator from Abia State, Ojo Zokalo, has asked farmers in his district to return to agriculture to sustain themselves in the face of the economic hardship in the country. Here is a report. Please take a listen. Amidst the current hardship ravaging the country, Nigerians have been asked to return to farming in order to restore the economy. On the altar of the Edo Poto of Ukpo community, the Auditor General, Ukpo Improvement Union, Honorable Paul Uchenna EZIKA Ezani Isiobi, joined voice with the Governor of Akwa Ibom State to admonish Nigerians to return to farming. You will recall that Governor Umo Eno gave the charge when he addressed the leadership of Christian Council of Nigeria at the government house. He noted that the prevailing hardship was exacerbated by a prolonged neglect of agriculture amongst citizens, which has aggravated food shortage.
Edopoto Iguaro of Ukpo community marks the beginning of the farming season in Ukpo Kingdom. In the spirit of the celebration, Vice Chairman Orlando Ukpo Ugodiebube suggests that the current hardship will be defeated only with tradition, and Ukpo is on the right track. He lauded the Igwe of Ugbo community, Igwe Robert Eze, for his contributions in preserving the culture of the Ugbo people. From Ugbo community, Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze reporting.
Now we move over to the foreign scene. Ghana's parliament passes anti-LGBTQ plus bill that could imprison people for years. Accra, Ghana. Ghana's parliament passed a highly controversial anti-LGBTQ plus bill on Wednesday that could send some people to prison for more than a decade. The bill was introduced to parliament 3 years ago and criminalizes members of the LGBTQ plus community, as well as its supporters, including promotion and funding of related activities and public displays of affection. Speaking to reporters after the bill was passed on Wednesday, one of its sponsors, lawmaker Sam George, said he felt relieved. I feel like a burden has been taken from me, he said. The bill has been sent to the president's desk to be signed into law. The West African nation has generally been considered more respectful of human rights than most African countries, and the bill has sparked condemnation among the international community and rights groups. A coalition of human rights activists said the bill violated fundamental human rights. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra, Lagos partner to advance information technology. Abia government bans a beauty contest over extortion, sexual exploitation of participants, economic hardship. Nigerians should go back to farming. Honorable Paul EZIKA. Ghana's parliament passes anti-LGBTQ plus bill that could imprison people for years. Here is a public service announcement about a stolen vehicle, Toyota Sienna model SUV, first model 1988 to 1999, color dark blue. The padded and bumper has a milk color. Plate number KWL 243AJ, chassis number 4032F13C4W0655357. It belongs to Achunike Anthony. Was stolen on Saturday, 17 February 2024 at Urokwe, Enugu, close to Ezielias, around 12 noon. If found, please contact 070-6110-4631 or 080-3951-1118. Report to the nearest police station or Ebona at the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You just listened to news update on Ebona at the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
updates on Ebonade 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonade FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
Nwanne m ndị oyibo si home is where the heart is. Anyị wee bulie aka n'Igbo wee sị nwanne ebe ife ọma dị ụgbọ na-aga aga ka anyị na-eso. Time m batara Anambra ka m nọlụ nwa aṅụle obi m na-akụ resident Leofi n'ogidi egbugo m nwanne they cannot disappoint. Ịbata na residency efunu rooms and suites luxuriously furnished. Nwanne ka m gwa gị nke bụ eziokwu, residency hotel nwere a restaurant ọ na-abịa ịbata dị aserve gị local and intercontinental foods and beverages ọ ga-abịa ilisie ido arụ. Nwanne banyezanụ na bar where you are served with drinks, wines and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. In the midst of everything, security is 24/7. Residency Hotel Leofino Gidi, Dina Kilometer 13, Old Enugu Onitsha Express Road. Call them on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotel Leofino Gidi.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonade FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin SR number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonade 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Ebonade corner 24/7, 24/7.
Afam bụ mmụta Josephine Ujunwa, abụ m Adogidi 2024. Ana m asị ka unu na-ege Ebonade 103.5 FM Ogidi.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political view comes to you at Ebonade 103.5 FM with Martin Epanjuku every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonade 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Hey guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscribe button right there. And then remember to check out my book on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Epanjuku. Thank you. Good morning.
7 a.m. to 9